Bangladesh is entering the AI era. Are you ready to grow faster and smarter using free tools? Students are stuck. Freelancers are confused. Entrepreneurs feel lost. But AI is the shortcut we all need. Here are the top free AI tools that can help you win in 2025. Whether you're in Dhaka or Dinajpur. Use ChatGPT to write emails, prepare CVs, translate Bangla to English, or even get study help. Need to design a poster, resume, thumbnail. Use Canva's AI magic tools. No design skills needed. Turn any idea or text into a video. Use Pictory to create YouTube and Facebook videos, like the one you're watching now. Gemini helps summarize research, write Bangla blogs, generate captions, and explain anything in seconds. QuillBot helps rewrite assignments, fix grammar, make academic content clean and original. Meet Rafi from Kulna. He used ChatGPT and Canva. Now earns $400 a month, doing remote freelancing from his home. You don't need big degrees, just curiosity. These tools are free. Use them wisely. Build your future. Follow Create with Babu for more free and real content in Bangla and English. Let's grow smarter together.